Welcome to Animal School. Today we are with you with 10 cute but dangerous animals. So let's go. Whiptail stingrays. The calm nature of these seemingly harmless creatures makes us love them more than our usual aquatic animals. Even Steve Irwin, known as the crocodile hunter, suffered a chest wound from a whiptail stingray a few years ago. Passed away. A wrong step in the sand may send a whiptail stingray's barbed sting into a person's leg, arm, stomach, or chest in a reactive, venomous sting, releasing a toxin that causes swelling and excruciating pain. The venom is concentrated at the bite site, but it may spread to other parts of the body and cause other problems. These bites are usually not fatal, but sometimes they can lead to death. Swans are very beautiful and lovely creatures. In addition to being relatively gentle animals by nature, they are also wonderful parents and will protect their children until the end, and that is exactly the main issue. Many birds protect their young from predators based on instinct, but if the predator is too strong or too dangerous for them to resist, they eventually give up. The swan, however, does not give up. Swans continue until either they die or the attacker dies, whichever comes first. If you make these animals, which weigh up to 13 kilos, angry, they will become very aggressive and will bite or hit you. However, the main danger is to those who cannot swim, as the swans are said to fly over the head of a spotted enemy and hold him underwater until he suffocates. Siberian flying squirrel. And now a cute creature. The striped squirrel is about 15 centimeters from head to tail, and it is said that when it hears the sound of a well-tuned piano, it suddenly makes a melodious sound. They can be very dangerous in different situations. Talking about the possibility of the spread of infectious diseases, Siberian chipmunks, distributed throughout most of the world, are reported to carry ticks, Lyme disease, and rabies. Although both of these diseases are curable, if they are not diagnosed and treated in time, they may lead to heart and nerve problems that lead to coma and, in more serious cases, death. Elephant. Elephants are amazing creatures. They are peaceful and kind, and it has even been reported that when their spouse or child dies, they shed tears. However, the behavior of any animal or creature is not fixed, and there are times when an elephant may be extremely dangerous. The main problem is its unparalleled size and strength. Slam anyone who happens to be in his way. Several animal trainers have been killed by these seemingly kind elephants. They do not cope well with captivity, and it is said that the increase in testosterone levels in male elephants during the mating season may cause aggressive and uncontrollable attacks from them, which apparently have no particular reason. Hippopotamus. If you thought that a hippo only had a sense of ownership over its own body, then you must not have seen how it gets angry over its mud pool. Every year, hippos kill those who intentionally or unintentionally approach their territory. Although these animals weigh more than 3 tons, they can follow a human at a speed of nearly 18.5 kilometers per hour, with a jaw that enables hippos to exert 2,722 kilograms of pressure and canine-like teeth measuring 25.5 centimeters. They are not animals you want to anger. Hippos are herbivores, that's why they don't eat humans, but if they get angry, they will immediately cut him in half. Narrow-mouthed dolphin. It has been observed that even the great white shark is nothing more than a small tame creature in the presence of the dolphin. Why? They must know something we don't. Dolphins can be very wild. Not only do they kill or injure their own young, but they may kill a porpoise just for fun and play with its carcass. Male dolphins show aggressive behavior towards males, especially when a female's leg is involved. Why? Sexual competition. Chimpanzee. According to evidence, chimpanzees engage in bloody fights with their fellows over ownership or other disputes, and many domesticated and trained chimpanzees have rebelled against their owners or friends, causing severe injuries including hand crushing, in some cases dismemberment, wounding the face, breaking bones, etc. One of the important differences between humans and chimpanzees is in the structure of muscles. The chimpanzee's strength is 5 times that of a human, and this means that if one of them decides to attack, we should not have much hope to defend ourselves. Platypus. The platypus has 2 unique characteristics, one of which is its stuck beak. In addition to being able to use that mouth like a spoon to eat, this natural tool, like a hammerhead shark, allows it to dig through the mud for food. Another unique feature is a pair of 15 mm hollow spikes along the inside of his hind legs. Inside these spikes, there is a not-so-strong poison that can enter the body of an enemy of its kind with a single kick. The toxin is fatal to small animals, and although it does not normally kill humans, it causes excruciating pain that can last for weeks or even months. Polar bear. The polar bear has no natural enemies and is the largest carnivore in North America. He weighs nearly 680 kilograms and stands 3 meters tall if he stands on his hind legs. Every year, 20 to 90 people are attacked by polar bears. A male polar bear is said to have the strength to pull a 30 centimeters fat water pig out of a 10 centimeters hole as if he were peeling a banana for breakfast. Slow loris. Although they are one of the cutest mammals, they are also among the most poisonous. The slow loris secretes poison from a gland inside its elbows, which, if eaten, will cause severe abdominal pain in the victim. He also applies this substance on his children to protect them from being eaten by wild animals. They are also considered poisonous because when angry, they can suck the same poison from their elbows and inject it into the body of the enemy by biting. If the attacker has an allergic reaction to the poison and is not treated properly, it will die within hours. Well, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for subscribing me, liking this video and leaving a comment.